This video is designed to show how to sharpen an axe blade. You can also refer to YouTube, Axe Maintenance, Firefighter's Toolbox for polishing axe blades. Safety is top priority. Safety glasses and gloves must be worn during the sharpening process. If polishing, you will also need a dust mask. You will also need a mill bastard file. Optional tools are a grinding stone and a bench grinder wire wheel. Using the wire wheel, remove paint, rust, and debris from the axe head. It is important to use the bottom half of the wire wheel in order to prevent kickback and injuries. Never use the bench grinder to sharpen the axe blade. Using the bench grinder can overheat the blade, causing it to lose its temper. Use the same amount of strokes on each side. Try to maintain the bevel edge at 25 degrees. If you have a grinding stone, use a circular motion to hone the blade from toe to heel. When finished sharpening, remember to use tape over the blade to prevent a member from cutting themselves. When the axe is used, the blade will cut the tape. Also, the tape will indicate that the axe is ready for use. Lubricate the axe head with a protective oil to prevent rust. Preferably a small amount of motor oil, or as an alternative, WD-40 can be used. Remember to keep your axe clean, sharp, protected, and oiled. If you take care of your equipment, it will take care of you.